What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel where you receive laughs, knowledge, and love. If you have not yet, just make sure that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you're in the loop. For today's video, I am so excited. Like, y'all don't even know my excitement right now. I have received my milk chocolate platform heels from Diverse Style by Sydney Dion, and I'm so excited because it has been a long time coming. Let me tell you. So, Black women in pageantry, we have conformed to wearing nude shoes. For example, let me show you guys what my normal nude shoes look like. Okay, so these are my shoes. They're absolutely awesome. They are from Aldo. They were $60. However, does this match me? Did you say nude shoe for me? Cool. Alright, didn't think so. Yeah, so the nude shoes in the pageant industry are not nude for darker skin tones, or they're not even, you know, to be honest with you, they're not even dark enough for mixed girls, or they're not dark enough, just period. That's it. That's all I'm gonna leave it at. So I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of these shoes today. I'm gonna try them on and I'm gonna let you guys know what I feel about them. This is the first time I'm gonna be trying them on, the first time I'm seeing them in person, so I hope that they work out. They do run small, so I got a size 7, that's what I normally get. Here is the moment of truth. Let's see, okay. Here, hold on, I'm gonna sit a little bit further back so you guys can see. Oh shoot, hey, they say, look, they say ain't no shoes breaking. What shoes? Bubble wrap? Oh my. Ah! Ah! Dang, they put bubble wrap on the bottom. Y'all, if you're worried about your shoes safety, bubble wrap on the top and bottom. Here they are. This is the boxing, so you guys can see them. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Y'all don't even know. This is what they come in. They smell so new too. Here's the bottom of the box. Sorry the light keeps going in and out. I'm using natural light. I always do. I don't have studio lights, but oh my god. Look at that. Okay, wait, stop. Stop. Beep, beep. Hey, cut it, period. Don't keep moving. Look at this. And hey, y'all, that is crazy. Now, mind you, this platform is humongous. I've never worn a platform this big, but I'm gonna make it work, baby. Because when I see these milk chocolate heels on stage, it's a wrap. Let me put all jokes aside, I am very happy and I'm very impressed, and I haven't even tried them on yet, so I don't even know if they fit me because of the size is smaller than what you normally get thing. But just by seeing these and seeing what Sydney's doing, like that, I'm already proud of her. Like, that is a great accomplishment, because I think a lot of the times, even me myself, I can catch myself saying, well, there's no shoes for me. And it's very easy for anyone, no matter what circumstance you're in, to say there's nothing for me. You know, if I'm doing ballet, I don't have brown point shoes. Be the person that makes that happen. And if you have the slightest idea that there's not something for you, or it's not fair that you don't have it, be that person. Now, mind you, I'm not that person, so when I'm critical of people not having different high heel shoes or the different colors, I don't want to go off on a tangent about it, because I know that, you know, I'm not making these shoes, so I don't know the hard work that's put into it. So at the end of the day, you know, this is just something that I'm very proud of Sydney for doing, and I think that that's an awesome step in the right direction, and I'm very impressed. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what they look like. On the shoe, it has a clear band that goes around your ankle, and then it's just got crisscross around your toe area. I think it's a 6.5 inch, so again, I'll compare it to my Aldo shoes. A lot taller, just a lot taller. So there's a lot of differences in these shoes. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just put them on, but first let me put on lotion, because you don't want to see ashy feet. Guys, okay, so this is with Sydney's heel on, all right? And then I'm gonna put the Aldo shoes on. Now, hold on. Now, mind you guys, this is nothing against Aldo at all, because these shoes are beautifully made. Like, I don't have anything against them whatsoever. They are awesome shoes. They are so durable. However, it's just the color. So anything that I'm mentioning in comparison only has to do with the color. Height isn't really a huge deal to me because I'm already short, so I mean any heel is gonna help me. But as far as color goes, I'm just comparing them to what I look like on stage with a nude shoe that belongs to me, and what I look like on stage with a nude shoe that I'm just kind of settling with. So it has nothing to do with criticizing Aldo, because they're absolutely amazing. And if this is closer to your skin tone, definitely recommend it 100%. Now I'm gonna put on the Aldo shoe. So, oh my gosh, I can even tell a difference because I'm kind of sinking in. I'm like about that much higher. So, as you guys can tell, you can clearly tell. I'm gonna push this down a little bit, sorry. One matches my skin so much better, and I never thought of this before because there wasn't an option for me to think about. But when I wore the nude shoes that were lighter than my skin tone, I never realized that it cut me off till I recognized that I had an opportunity to wear a shoe that matched my skin tone, and now seeing it on my feet, there's no cut off within my body. It looks like it belongs on my skin. It's such a rich, hold on. Try not to do that. It's just such, I look so weird, I'm sorry guys, but I'm trying to give you a close look. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, they're so nicely made. Your shoe is just your shoe. That's another thing. That should not matter unless it's like a blinged out shoe and it works with something like fun fashion or anything like that. But your shoe should not be the focus. And having these brown shoes on, I don't feel like it's gonna take away from my evening gown, or it's gonna take away from my interview, or what have you. Anything that I'm gonna wear, I don't think it's gonna take away from it. Let me just stop. Can you even see the shoe? Can y'all see the shoe? Baby. Somebody come. She needs some milk. Overall impression, 10 out of 10. I haven't even worn the shoes out, but I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I'm here to support my black businesses. I'm here to support my black girls and anything that they want to do. I'm completely impressed. It is a very good shoe. It matches really nicely. It's a little bit more chocolatey than me, because it's just got that rich shine to it, but that's okay. I'm not complaining, whatever. The shoes are beautifully made. Again, I will show you guys a close-up of what they look like. Sydney, you did it, girl. You know, it's funny how things work, because I'm literally about to leave on July 3rd, and she just launched this about a week ago, I think. So I'm really excited. Any information that you guys will need, I will put it down in the description box below, so you can go get your diverse styled shoes. If you need new shoes, women of color, hello, are you there? Get them. Like, look at the contrast. That is completely different. Completely different. Please click on the description box below. They were $79. And that is actually a really good price. I paid $60 for these, and you know what? I will spend my money if it works for me. And I know a lot of other girls of color will spend their money if they know the product is going to be for them specifically. That is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Love you, good day.